Hi everyone, it's Deborah. Today I'm showing you some washi tape. I've just purchased this. The reason that I bought this is because I have a lot of washi tape that is in browns or dark colours and blacks, and I was looking for something to go into my botanic journal, and I realised I didn't have anything that would really match. So I ended up going online and I found this beautiful washi tape. This is from Etsy, and it's from Tina and Lisa and their company called Ev's Cards and Crafts, and they have a lot of washi tape. So if you haven't seen their Etsy shop and you're looking for washi tape, go and have a look. Although you probably think that I bought the store out, and I bought a fair bit of it, let me tell you. And you've seen me use some of it already in my botanic journal, but I just wanted to show you some of the gorgeous ones that I purchased. I think you saw me use this one the other day, the pink one, in my botanic journal, and it comes in all sizes. So I was looking for like pinks and purples and greens, really. That's kind of the criteria that I set myself, and I thought it was worthwhile just showing you in case you're looking for washi, and just have a look at the different ones that I've managed to get from this particular shop. This one's lovely, it's pinks and purples. And then they've got this really thin washi. So it comes in a pack. I think you get quite a few in the pack. Might be 5 of them or something in the pack. Look how thin that one is. Most of these are the standard size ones, and then there are also some wider ones. So you get a variety of the widths and in each of the packs that they sell them in. This is a pretty one. I haven't really opened any of these. I thought it would just do that with you this morning. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's got like flowers on it, and it's gorgeous colours, that one. I'll just pull these up now that I've shown you, and I'll go through and pick out some more to show you. So this decorative tape, or washi tape, you can use a variety of ways on your projects, and you've probably seen me using it often. And also, if I'm going to put it down and it's going to be structural, then I actually do put some double-sided tape underneath it so that it will stay, because it's not meant to be structural. It's really just a decorative tape, and that's how I turn it into a structural tape. But there's some beautiful, beautiful designs. I was looking online and I didn't know whether they were going to be as pretty in real life, but they certainly are. And the colours I've chosen, I think they're, you know, totally opposite to anything that I have in my washi tape collection. And I also, because I use my washi tapes, I have been using up quite a few, getting to the end of the roll on quite a few of them. This one's really cute. I don't know if you're picking up that. It's got little dots on it. And then there's one that's got little stripes on it as well. And then these two little ones here, this one's got like little pink things on it. Let me open this one up. Oh yes, it's like leaves. It's probably flower petals, rose petals or something it's meant to be. The people who own the Etsy shop, they live in Townsville, and it only took a couple of days to get to me in Brisbane, so they posted it really quickly, which was great. The more flowery sort of things there. And then you've got things like this one, which is just a purple, sort of bit retro, this one. It's got like purpley retro sort of dot, long elongated dots on it. I think the floral ones are probably the favourite. That one's beautiful, gorgeous colours in there. This one has like circles on it in between each of the florals. And this one's got trees or something, I think. Oh yes, they are trees. Oh, that's beautiful. The colours in that are gorgeous. And of course my favourite colour, I do like green, but I think my very favourite colour is actually this beautiful colour of purple. I like a blue base purple, not a pink purple. And that's got like whales on it. I didn't realise when I bought it, but that's actually whales. That's really, really interesting, really pretty. this has got florals, so I bought a fair few in that purpley sort of range. They have a lot of different ranges, but I just wanted to find something in this sort of tones and florals and things like that. And I found that when I went looking for washi, to get washi is really, well, nice washi like this, it's a little bit different, was really quite difficult. This one's got roses and another sort of flower in between. And I think this one's pretty. It's got bicycles on it, this one. So I was really super happy when I found a person who's actually in Australia, because as people who live in Australia know, shipping to Australia is horrendous. That's got bicycles and flowers on it. That's gorgeous. And so it was really good to find a supplier who actually is in Australia that I could ship from fairly quickly. And I know that you're probably thinking, my goodness, look at all this washi tape that I've bought. But I figured because I haven't really seen this anywhere before, I would just get in and buy them, you know. And I'm in a position where I'm able to do that. So I know that I'm very lucky that I can just get in and buy things like this. I know that not everybody is in that position. That's pretty. This one's like the ocean. Reminds me of the ocean. And then there's a couple more. This little one here. That is just, oh, that's actually feathers, that one. That's very cool. And this little one here, which is just like, again, it's like in that other retro one I showed you. It's a bit retro. It's got sort of lines going in different directions, and it's very little, but aren't they pretty? So again, that is Ev's Cards and Crafts. Now, I'm in no way associated with these ladies. I'm just sharing with you what I found here in Australia in terms of washi tape. So I hope you enjoyed looking at my washi tape collection, or the additions to my washi tape collection today. I think my favourite would be this one, really. It's just so beautiful. Look, the colours in there are just gorgeous. But I love them all. There's nothing that I don't like. And sometimes when you buy something and you're sort of forced to buy a pack of 5 of something, or I think there were 5. There's like a big and some, you know, normal sizes, and then these little ones. I think sometimes you'll end up with things that maybe you're not in love with. But honestly, I'm in love with all of them. So I'm very, very happy. So thanks for joining me, everybody. This is Deborah. Cheers.